Alright, here we go. Welcome mga Kanoypi. Welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noypi. Alright, mga Kanoypi, this is episode 2 of our trading journey. And before we proceed, mga Kanoypi, please subscribe and hit the notification bell if you are enjoying the videos you're seeing on the channel. Please share. And then also, mga Kanoypi, please spread the love and make sure that you encourage your fellow traders to join our group, Forex for Beginners, PHI. And ito na yung episode 2 natin, mga Kanoypi. Pero bago ang lahat, pakita ko muna sa inyo, this is our trading account, diba? So, we deposited $1,000 nung isang araw. You'll notice that it's already down to 979.98. So we lost $21 yesterday. I had two trade setups. Yung isa I canceled it, yung isa tumama sa stop loss at $9.57. Pakita ko lang sa inyo, mga Kanoypi, kung ano yung ginawa kong trade. So AUD CAD yung nakita kong setup. Initially it was here. Kung makikita nyo yung arrow na yan, that's where I took the trade. I took the trade, mga Kanoypi, because it's part of my confluence. May nakita kasi ako dito. This was a previous resistance, and then if I look to the left, it was also somehow a support. So this line is being respected dozen times. So nung I took the trade here, I was expecting the market to bounce back up. The other reason why I took that, mga Kanoypi, is if I will switch to tradingview.com at AUD CAD, AUD CAD, ayan. Yung trend natin dito, mga Kanoypi, is going up. Right, so if we look at a trend line here, it was going up. Right, if I go to the 1 hour chart, mga Kanoypi, at the time I took the trade, I believe that was here, this candle is bouncing up, supposed to bounce up because of this resistance line. And kaya lang, mga Kanoypi, something happened on the charts. If you will see this, kita nyo, mga Kanoypi, may gap. For some reason, I'm sure there's a news or something that occurred or anything, probably a tweet or whatnot, nagkaroon ng slippage. Itong candle na to, pansinin nyo, merong slippage ng about 14.7 pips, and then it went down, hit my stop loss. Okay, so ayos lang yan, mga Kanoypi. That's really part of trading. Again, it doesn't matter if you lose twice, as long as you at least win once, you'll still be able to regain your losses, right? Ito yung pangalawang trade setup na kinuha ko, mga Kanoypi. This is EUR or Euro AUD. I took a buy trade here. I took a buy trade in this area for the similar reason that I'm seeing that this is a support zone. This was a support zone. Tapos ito, if I look at the left side, ito, it was a significant key level on the 1 hour chart. Okay. Kinuha ko yan, mga Kanoypi. Tapos may nakita ko ito. It was also a previous resistance level, a support level. There was a long candle break. So I took it. So nung kinuha ko siya, it did fire up to at least 13 pips, almost hitting my take profit almost, but not quite. Again, mga kanoypi, ganun talaga. That happens, right? So, hanap tayo ng trade setup ngayon, mga kanoypi, and then let's see. While I was scanning, I noticed same price action or same currency pair, pero may nakita akong pattern dito, mga kanoypi. This is a wedge pattern, right? Um, for the entire day yesterday, nagkaroon ng bounce activities dito sa currency pair na to. So, I might need to uh, get a buy stop or a buy limit order here at this price at 1.64095 para maka-expect tayo ng bounce moving up kasi it's a wedge pattern nga na nakikita natin. Ang worry ko lang dito is this 200 DMA. We might not be able to hit our stop loss or our take profit. So, ang gagawin ko, mga kanoypi, maghihintay ako. Maghihintay ako ng trade setup na magfulfill nitong currency pair na to for me. Okay? Punta tayo sa AUD-CHF. Ito, mga kanoypi, is something that I had also seen. A rectangular pair here. Ito, obvious na obvious to, mga kanoypi. Kailangan ko talaga maghintay dito. And we're on a daily chart. So, I'm seeing a level here or a bar that signifies there are two bars here, mga kanoypi. Ito munang green bar na to and then this red bar. This red bar in a way shows that it is dominant to the green bar, which means there's more sellers than the buyers. Tapos, this pin bar right here is also a sign of sellers pushing down, right? Meron pa tayong isang pin bar dito, right? So I'm sensing and I'm seeing that there are possible sellers na magrarally dito sa currency pair na to, right? Tiningnan ko yung news for today, medyo marami siya. So, GBP, USD, NCDs ang mga news today. So, as much as possible, iwasan ko yung mga currency pair na yun. Okay? That's GBP, USD, and NCD. So, kaya ito yung pinili ko, mga Euro pairs. Tingnan natin yung AUD. JPY, minark ko na rin siya. Ito, another waiting game dito, mga kanoypi. Pero we are looking at a possible sell dito sa pair na to. Bakit? Kasi, mga kanoypi, etong resistance na to, there's two resistance zones, right? 1 and 2. It was tested even here for like 3 days. It was tested. And then, yung price kasi natin, it could be considered as already high. Right? It can already be considered as high. If I will look at RSI here, this is my RSI indicator. Medyo nasa above mid-zone siya eh. So, possibly could go down at yun lang ang iintayin ko. Siguro by tomorrow makakakita tayo dyan ng good price action. Mabagal lang galaw ngayon. It is 7 AM in the morning. So possibly wala tayong makuhang trade setup for this hour. Right? Tingnan lang natin mabilis mga kanoypi itong Euro JPY. Kumuha tayo ng trade dito nung isang araw eh. It's not a lot of gain but we did short this currency pair. Makikita natin, this is the daily chart. May nakikita na tayong pwede nating paggawa ng trend line, mga kanoypi. Because this one is, there you go. Ayan. Ito mga kanoypi, mukhang we have a possible setup. So may nakita tayong trend line. Nag-drawing tayo ng trend line and it looks like it's going up. Um, it's still going to pursue. Dito kasi sa point na to mga kanoypi, kung saan tumigil yung market, it was a previous resistance right here. So it could be a possible uptrend uh, after that. So tingnan natin sa 1 hour chart mga kanoypi, lumipat tayo dun. Right. Ito ngayon ang technique na ginagawa ko. So, hindi ako basta-basta nag-buy or nag-short based on trend line. Ang ginagawa ko mga kanoypi, gumuguhit ako ng isa pang miniature trend line dito. So, my rule is if the price on the 1 hour chart breaks this trend line here, if it breaks the trend line and closes above the trend line, it's the time that I will buy. Okay? So, pwede tayong gumawa um, ng buy stop order. Tingnan natin. Teka, medyo hesitant ako kasi ito mga kanoypi, meron tayong significant support level dito. So, I'm worried na pag nag-trigger yung buy stop ko dito, automatic bigla siyang mag-pull down. Kasi yung short-term trend natin is going down. Right? Yung long-term trend natin is going up, but I wanted to make sure by observing a price action. Okay? So, mga kanoypi, pause ko muna yung video and babalikan natin the moment that it sees the price action there. Okay? I'll be right back mga kanoypi. Alright mga kanoypi, we are back. Okay mga kanoypi, ito yung minamonitor nating currency pair, Euro JPY. So we had a semi-wedge pattern here. If you will remember kanina, I showed that this currency pair had a trend line where this is the swing low, swing high. It bounced because of this resistance level, and then it went down, hit the trend line, moved back up, and now it went down. And we're looking to take a long position here or buy this currency pair. Pero pumunta tayo sa 1 hour chart at nag-drawing tayo ng short-term trend line, which is ito. And I said um, if it breaks that, I will take the trade. I did miss this part, this first candle actually. Nakatulog tayo mga kanoypi. So, I took the trade late over here for Euro JPY and Euro odd. Dito naman mga kanoypi is another wedge pattern. Kung mapapansin nyo on the 1 hour chart, that's what it is. Nilampasan at binrake niya ng isang candle lang yung support zone natin dito. Drawingan lang natin. Ayan, binrake niya. So, I took the trade. Unfortunately, I think I took the trade also late here. But I still took the sell position here on Australian Euro, Australian dollar. So, right now, eto na siya mga kanoypi. I took 0.08 lot size. Sa Euro odd, if I win, I will take home $35.96. And if I lose, I will lose $25.74. That is more than my 1% risk. Again, don't try this at home. Always follow your risk management kung magte-trade kayo. I'm just doing this because I wanted to sort of speed up my um, my goal. Pero it's not advisable mga kanoypi. Always follow proper risk management. I've been trading for years and years now, so I kind of know what I'm doing. But if you're newbie, please don't follow what I'm doing. Okay. Um, as far as risk management is concerned. Okay. Pero dito, I wanted to show you that I'm gaining more if I win and I'm losing less if I don't. Okay? Sa Euro JPY, currently negative $2, pero I'm confident here. The trend is my friend, and I have my trend line here to support me. If I win here, I will take home $37.94, so almost 38. If I lose, I will lose $30.55. So this is the concept of it, mga Kanoypi. There are two trades I'm taking today. Let's wait and let's watch if on my next video if I will hit the stop loss already or my take profit. Okay, mga Kanoypi? I will proceed with uploading that next video on my siguro maybe tomorrow we'll see if this will hit. Pero for now mga Kanoypi, pag may questions kayo, please comment down below. If you think that this video is beneficial, please hit subscribe mga Kanoypi and share the love. Ipakita nyo sa ibang mga aspiring Forex traders that Forex could be a possible learning and it's not a waste of time to invest in yourself, to invest in your own knowledge, most especially kung sarili nyo naman pera yung gagamitin nyo to invest in your knowledge, right? Don't invest in people from the outside. They could scam you, right? Lalo na kung hindi nyo alam yung exactly how their system works, right? Maraming naglalabasan diyan, magpapakita sila sa inyo ng magandang financials background. Of course, they can do that, right? But what really is your proof to do it, right? Kaya ako, I highly promote to invest in yourself, to invest in your own knowledge. In this way, you can prosper and at least you are in control of your own business, right? You're in control of your own business. You can study and learn the basics up to advanced of Forex, and I'll try to keep that here in this channel. Basta make sure mga Kanoypi that if you feel that this video is beneficial for you, please hit subscribe, share the love. Okay? For now mga Kanoypi, this is the end of the video. I will see you on my next video. Abangan natin if I will take a stop loss and or am I going to take the profit. Okay? Have a good day mga Kanoypi. See you next time. Bye!